Hi guys, welcome back to our vlog, and today we will be doing the experiment 5 entitled Reduction of Sample Size by Quartering Method and Determination of Specific Gravity, Water Absorption, Moisture Content, and Densities, which are relative, saturated, apparent, and both specific of fine aggregates. So without further ado, let's get started!
So the purpose of this experiment is to determine the specific gravity, water absorption, moisture content, and various types of densities of fine aggregates by reducing the sample size quartering method. If possible, the results will then be evaluated and compared if it follows ASTM standards.
Okay, so for this experiment, we are going to be weighing not only the 6 containers but also 3 trays for the dry sample. So first, I will be weighing the containers.
After measuring its mass, we will now measure its
0.21. So that's all for the weighing stuff.
And now we're going to measure its width, length, and height. So for the first sample, it has 60 millimeters. And for its width, it's 80 centimeters. And the length is 152. No, 152 millimeters. And for its length, it has 155 millimeters. Now let's move on to for the tray, it has a 450 millimeters. And that's all for its climate change.
Hi guys, so now we're going to be shoveling fine aggregate and putting on this container. Let's get started.
Uy, sure, malayo kayo. Dili. Uy, layo kayo.
Now we're going to be dividing it into small parts. Let's divide it into 40. So now we divided our with 4 into 4 equal size. Now we're going to be removing the opposite parts. Ay, diagonal yung opposite parts. Okay, so now we're going to be sieving the sample into our tray.
Go, Gail.
Okay guys, so after we sieved our fine aggregates, we're going to be measuring 1 kilogram and putting it inside our containers.
Oh, you
Sipon mo si Ethan. Okay guys, after weighing our samples, we're going to be taking 3 of it and we're going to be submerging it all in water. Let's go submerge. Okay. Okay, now we're going to be wetting Hello. Ayun, all sorts sa santan. So we already finished submerging our experiments into water. Now we're going to be before we place it in the dry oven, let us first wait again. So Ram,
Let's go!
Now we're going to weigh the
Isa pa, alarm we.
500 grams.
Try na.
So it is 1.34 kilograms. And as you can see, it was a substantial increase in weight. Now we're going to store the dry and the wet aggregates in the dry
Let's go! And now we're going to put the samples into the oven and wait for 4 And we're done. Let's wait for 24 hours to get it up. So after 24 hours, we're now going to take the samples out of the oven. So after getting the samples out of the oven, we let it cool for 1 to 3 hours. After cooling it down for an hour, we're going to weigh each sample. And now we're going to clean the 3 wet samples until the water is clear. Now we're going to pour in water to clean the Now after washing the sample, we have now we're now going to put it back to the container.
okay guys, now we're going to be submerging our samples into water. So yes, I'm now filling it up. Okay guys, so now we're going to be submerging our samples into water for 15 to 19 hours. After 15 to 19 hours, now we're going to be taking out our samples from the water container and we're going to be placing it in the tray. Okay guys, so we already finished putting the fine aggregates in the tray. So we're gonna go back after 24 hours and see and weigh our fine aggregates. So we're
Now we're going to weigh our sample. And that's all for its weight.
Okay, so guys, we're going to be filling this up with water and we're going to weigh to get the weight in water. So for sample 1, now we're going to be getting our sample in water. So this is our first sample. We're going to be pouring the sample into this container with water. Now we're going to be